Hey, in this video I'll show you how to see old notifications that you swiped away from on your iPhone. It's actually a simple tutorial, so make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's start. The first thing you want to do is you want to swipe up, and as you can see I have a new notification right now, and when I go up a little bit it says no other notifications. If you have some already that you've swiped out of, you should have them here. If that doesn't work, you actually can go on and see which apps have notifications. For example, I have 23 on Telegram, 1000 something on Discord, and so on. Another option is going over to your settings, clicking on notifications right here, having the stack right here or the list, switching between these options, and making sure that the app you have has notifications on. When you click on, for example, About You, this app, you can have these sounds and badges on. You want to make sure that badges are on, and now you can find them. If the video helped you out, give me a like button. If you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. See you next one. Bye.